is going on, guys? Hold on. What is going on, guys? This is Visor here, and welcome to Pba Bowling. Whoever likes bowling is gonna like this video, so let's just get the show on the road here. Oh. Oh! No. Yes! Strike! Let's get a guarantee. That was cheating, but who cares? By the way, guys, I played this game many years ago. It's a brand new one. For the channel, at least. No. Not the... Oh. We were right there. We could have lost. Okay, let's get to... Oh, that's a split. That's a split. I only got one of them. I just need to get the strikes back, and I'm pretty much back in the... Alright, give me a second and I'll be right back. God, that's loud. And I am back, guys. I'm a sucker for explosions, but I'm not a sucker for fouls that are that bad. Why? What sucks is my thumb's gonna block the camera part of this just a tad bit, so you'll partly see my thumb. That's just no matter what I freaking do here. Oh, come on. See how my thumb got in the way? Jesus. Oh, I was never gonna hit that pin. Please be at least gold or bronze. I don't care at this point. No. Ooh. I'll be right back. What is it? No ads this time? That's weird. It used to be ads all over the place. Oh, those strikes right off the bat actually help. Oh, this is... If I can get this, it's a spare. My stupid thumb. I'm gonna have to... I was never hitting that pin. Damn it. Oh, it was right there. No, don't get a gutter ball. Oh, thank God for that. Getting the strikes is somewhat easy. Okay, uninterrupted ad revenue. This is actually really good. Oh shit. Don't tell me I screwed that up. Some of these bowling balls, you got them so fast you can't see them. Which is like why I like the more basic ones, but I understand better. Oh. Oh. Holy crap. Oh no. Oh, that's not good. I didn't get the strike right off the bat. Maybe I'll get a few more strikes to... Oh no. If this is an all spares game, I'm done. Did I get a strike there? I have no idea. I wasn't even paying attention. Oh. Oh, this is a bad game. This is a bad run for sure. I'm gonna have to get more strikes just to even out how... Oh. I need to get at least 2 strikes on the last quarter. A 4-pin split? It was better than nothing. I'm still number 1. The league finals. Oh. Really, Chester? Idiot got a gutter ball. He's not gonna beat. Well, he got a spare, but I doubt that helps with all my strikes. This isn't about winning or losing, but I really need to win here. How did I get 4 in a row? I got 4 in a row. He got a gutter ball. Which means if he does get a strike here, it's spares. Left the first pin and his 10 scrawny friends. I mean, I might as well have just gotten a gutter ball there. Why? Just why? I didn't want to watch Chester. I mean, the dude's got a lower score than me. He'll need at least 5 strikes to even come close to me. Oh, I left that split by accident. Tell me, everyone, how I won that? That's just insane, guys. I should not have even have won there. Next is Doug Graves. What, did he bury the other guy? Oh. I cheated. Guaranteed success is better than no success. Trial and error, baby! No, no, no. Ooh, a 5-bagger. B-A-G-G-E-R. Bagger. Not what you think I said. Oh. That sucked. That sucked. Did I just see that he has more points than me? Nope, I'm delusional. Okay. He's trying to catch up. He's really trying. I ain't gonna let him. Why am I looking over there? You guys aren't over there. You're on the other side of this video. Oh. Oh. Okay, so I just have to say that during the initial recording, the video cut off. So like, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye, and have a good day.